Hello, today let's discuss about Google Cloud Platform, GCP. What are the features of GCP? What are the characteristics of GCP? What are the advantages and benefits of GCP? What is the infrastructure and architecture of GCP? Who can learn GCP? What is the cost of GCP? How to become a Google Cloud engineer? Let's find out now. Google Cloud Platform GCP is a suite of cloud computing services provided by Google that allows individuals and organizations to build, deploy, and manage applications and services using Google's infrastructure. GCP offers a wide range of services for computing, storage, databases, machine learning, networking, analytics, and more. It is designed to provide scalable and flexible cloud solutions to meet YouTube business needs. Features and characteristics of Google Cloud Platform GCP. 1. Compute. GCP provides virtual machines, containers, and serverless computing options through services like Google Compute Engine, Kubernetes Engine, and Cloud Functions. 2. Storage. GCP offers various storage options including object storage, cloud storage, block storage, persistent disk, and managed databases, Cloud SQL, file store, and Bigtable. 3. Networking. GCP provides networking services such as Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, load balancing, Cloud CDN, and Virtual Private Network, VPN. 4. Big Data and Analytics. GCP offers services for data processing, warehousing, and analytics, including BigQuery, Dataflow, PubSub, and Dataproc. 5. Machine Learning. GCP provides tools and APIs for building, training, and deploying machine learning models, including AutoML, TensorFlow, and AI platform. 6. Security. GCP offers robust security features including identity and access management, IAM, encryption, security keys, and DDoS protection. 7. Management tools. GCP provides tools for monitoring, logging, and managing resources, including Cloud Monitoring, Logging, and Deployment Manager. Advantages and benefits of Google Cloud Platform GCP. 1. Scalability. GCP allows you to scale resources up or down based on demand. 2. Global network. GCP has a robust global network infrastructure for improved performance and reliability. 3. Managed services. GCP offers fully managed services that reduce operational overhead. 4. Machine learning capabilities. GCP provides advanced machine learning tools and services. 5. Hybrid and multi-cloud compatibility. GCP supports hybrid and multi-cloud scenarios. 6. Cost efficiency. GCP offers various pricing models and cost management tools. 7. Strong security. GCP prioritizes security with multiple layers of protection. Infrastructure and architecture of Google Cloud Platform GCP. GCP's infrastructure consists of data centers located around the world, connected by a high-speed global network. The architecture is designed for high availability, fault tolerance, and scalability. It includes resources like virtual machines, storage, and networking components that can be provisioned and managed through GCP console APIs and command line tools. Who can learn Google Cloud Platform GCP? Anyone interested in cloud computing, application development, data analytics, machine learning, and infrastructure management can learn GCP. This includes software developers, system administrators, data engineers, data scientists, and IT professionals. Cost of Google Cloud Platform GCP's pricing varies based on the specific services used, the amount of resources consumed, and the region where the resources are located. GCP offers a pricing calculator on its website to estimate costs. Becoming a Google Cloud Engineer. To become a Google Cloud Engineer, you can follow these steps. 1. Learn the basics. Familiarize yourself with GCP services, architecture, and concepts through online tutorials, documentation, and courses. 2. Hands-on experience. Gain practical experience by working on GCP projects, setting up environments, and using different services. 3. Certification. Consider Pursuing Google Cloud certifications such as Google Cloud Associate, Cloud Engineer, or Professional Cloud Architect to validate your skills. For advanced skills, develop expertise in specific areas like machine learning, big data, or networking to stand out as a specialized engineer. 5. Continuous learning. Stay updated with GCP's latest developments, attend webinars, workshops, and participate in the GCP community. Remember that hands-on experience, continuous learning, and practical application of your skills are key to becoming a proficient Google Cloud engineer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.